What's up, guys, and welcome to Predication's Daily Tech Tips. In today's tech tip, we're learning how to screenshot on the brand new M3 Macbook Air. So screenshotting on this MacBook Air is pretty much the same way you screenshot on any MacBook. All you need to do is press Command plus Shift plus 3 on the keyboard, and that will take a screenshot of the entire screen. Put it there in a thumbnail, and then save it to your desktop by default. Now, if you want to take a screenshot of a specific area, press Command plus Shift plus 4 on the keyboard, and that will turn your mouse cursor into this cross hairpin, and you can use that to press and drag to select the area where you want to screenshot. When you're happy, simply just release, and it's going to take a screenshot of that area. And again, save it to your desktop. Now, from the desktop, you can open it using the default viewer app, which of course you can use to edit the image, resize it, and add text and do whatever you want to do with the image. And that's really how to take screenshots on the brand new M3 MacBook Air.